Hi, Logan. I'm glad you asked. Sometimes the organization that makes sense to me makes it difficult for other students. So you're referring to the assignments for Hamlet in the Padlet activity, and I was going through them which with each daily lesson plan, but if you wanted to know what was due in it, so you go to classwork, click on Hamlet Padlet link, and what I've done in there is this is just how to open up your settings so that you can share it with me so that I can see it. It does not close it down for you. It's just so that I can go in and just see if I can help you in any way or give you any feedback to improve. But right here, this is what's in the Padlet so far, or what could and should be there. So character map was the very beginning. Then we did Act 1 quotes assignment, and if you're confused as to what that is, it's just linked right down here. Act 2 quotes assignment is right here, and eventually you're going to have a soliloquies analysis component in there as well. The requirement is out of all of the soliloquies that Hamlet says in this play, from Act 1 all the way to Act 5, that you were to choose 3 and to annotate them. So I put those soliloquies in here so far. The exemplar I can post a little bit later on. It's in one of the Hamlet lessons that we did, where I annotated the King's one, and you're just making notations as to what he is saying, lines that are important, any analogies that he's making, any references or allusions, metaphors, similes, all of those things. So once you go through and annotate and make meaning of the text, I'm not asking you to translate it, but ultimately I want you to understand the gist of what he's saying, and then you're going to write a brief paragraph as to not just what he's saying, but what it reveals about him, what he's thinking or what he's feeling or what his next actions might be. So you need to choose 3 from the entire play. If you use the ones from Act 1, and there's several in Act 2 that I'll include in there as well. If you just choose from Act 1 and Act 2, and you choose 3 soliloquies and you're done, that's totally fine. It doesn't have to be from the entire, like from Act 1 to Act 5, it's just 3 in total. So far that's what we have. Going forward, you're going to see Act 3, Act 4 quotes. There will be an Act 5, and then there will be a final Act 5 component that I want you, it will be somewhat like a reflection / analysis of Hamlet's character. So that's where to find it. I know yours looks very different than mine, but you just want to go into classwork, open up that assignment link, and you will actually see all of the components. I'll try and keep this updated as best as possible.